It's an honor for me to be here tonight and be your MC, but it's also an honor for me to introduce my great friend and the director of Community Corner Clubhouse, Michelle Hazuka.
Good evening, everyone. I just want to thank you so much for coming out tonight to support Community Corner Clubhouse and Hope House and Evening of Jazz. This is our 5th year doing Evening of Jazz, our 4th year at the Pavilion, and every year it's amazing. Tonight we have a lot of really great things to be thankful for. Before I get to the big thing, I'd like to take a moment to thank our sponsors, because really without them, our event would not be possible. John and Bonnie Mearshart, thank you very much for taking the drive up here. Quickly, Dean Dietrich of Ruder Law Firm, Marathon County Credit Union, thank you very much. Ann Meisner, Tuluski, Kennedy, and Dirk, Cornerstone Advisors, Wausau Wall and Window, Evolutions in Design, and their entire crew. I would also like to give a hand to John Greiner's Little Big Band tonight. Thank you. This is your 2nd year. We love having you play. Thank you to Jessica and Angelo, our marketing extraordinary team. Thank you to my chair, Laurel Harder, for helping make this event possible and coordinate everything. And last, I would like to thank my crew at Community Corner Clubhouse. So tonight, this event was made possible because of my staff and our members that helped get this together and asked for donations and ran around town coordinating things. So thank you to my whole team. Last but not least, I'd like to thank all of you for your support. This event allows our paths to cross, and we hope that you feel great knowing that you support this event, and this support supports our programming of Community Corner Clubhouse and its membership. So right now, all 135 of us thank you very deeply. Next up, I have another big thank you. Each year, our program recognizes a substantial community partner, a partner who not only supports our program, but also has a positive impact on our membership. This year, hands down, the recipient was an easy choice. After many years of planning and collaboration, the Marathon County Sheriff's Office, Wausau Police Department, and North Central Healthcare finalized a Crisis Assessment Response Team, or better known as CART, to help better address mental health needs. The overall goal of the team is to reduce the number of involuntary detentions to mental health facilities, reducing the number of people who are either incarcerated due to mental health issues. The CART team receives an array of calls from emergency dispatch, from our crisis center, from another officer. They drive from their offices at Wausau Police Department or the Sheriff's Department to people's homes in an unmarked vehicle. They deliberately do not dress in uniforms because they know that some people they meet may be uncomfortable with the sight of a police officer in full gear. North Central Healthcare Representative Stacy Roselle, Chuck Kirstel, along with Marathon County Sheriff's Department Megan Sawinski, and Wausau Police Officer David Bertram, all have undergone crisis intervention or CIT training and now make up the CART team. Since their inception, they have taken time to get to know our program and how we work. They've supported our members through good days and difficult days. I can personally tell you their partnership is one of the best things to come from law enforcement that I've witnessed in my 27 years of mental health. The CART team has a personal rapport with our members and the staff, and they can turn a difficult day into one of support, encouragement, and hope. CART team, it is a great honor to recognize each of you as our 2018 community partner. Would you please come up?
Okay, I've been outvoted here. I'm Dave Bertram. I'm a police officer with the Wausau Police Department. Just putting some faces and names together here. Deputy Megan Sawinski, Chuck Kirstel. Unfortunately, Stacy couldn't be here tonight. She had a long-time vacation plan, so she's out tonight. But we'll definitely be sharing this beautiful award with her. Thank you for the honor. I couldn't say anything better than it's been an absolute privilege to work with you and your staff and your members of your organization. It's just an absolute treat to come and work with you guys every single week, and I look forward to hopefully many, many more years of this program and time spent together. And thank you very much.
We probably don't want Chuck to say anything because we only have about 2 hours left. And once he gets rolling, then just forget about it. So, thank you again for coming. Silent auction, be sure to check on your bids. And once again, if you want to buy it now, if there's something you absolutely have to have, you can buy it now. And you can take it up to registration and you can just pay for it, and it's all yours. We've got the big raffle items, the Night in the Clouds on the Dudley Tower. Has anybody ever been to the top of the Dudley Tower? If you haven't, it's pretty awesome. They allow us to go outside, walk around. It's beautiful up there. You get a whole view of Wausau. You and 20 of your friends can come up there, and we provide beverages and hors d'oeuvres and a couple hours up on the tower. We have an airplane ride for 4 people over the city of Wausau. You can have them fly over your house, take a picture, look down and say, hey honey, we really need a new roof. And then we've got a Pandora bracelet from Jim Krishock Jewelers, which Paia is modeling. So if you need to see it, she has it on her wrist. We have the envelope raffles left and the basket raffles. So thank you for coming out and spending your hard-earned money for Community Corner Clubhouse, because without you, there would be no Community Corner Clubhouse. And why don't we have a lot of members here tonight, so everybody give a big round of applause to all the members that are volunteering and helping out here tonight. You have no idea who they are, because they're people just like you and I here tonight, here to celebrate. So feel free to indulge in more food, hors d'oeuvres, desserts, and John Greiner and his band will be back on shortly, so thank you.